today. My name is Nanedumi Katin and Elizabeth. Don't sit down to make sure your evening goes sweet. How your day today? Quickly, we're not going to waste your time into the show of today.
Before na relationship Friday debut. Now
we relationship Friday.
We're supposed to find waiting to call this something.
Friday, Abby. Friday fee be anyhow Friday.
Or Friday groove.
Or Friday groove. You know, say, you know, go bad though. So, if everybody wake up from Monday to Thursday, no, maybe Monday to Wednesday, we can't invite them on wait now, the fine girls. Only the person, they no person. You know, say by from voice, if you say person voice, fine, but the person not go fine.
Except we say send picture.
Okay, for Twitter, they go the same picture. Now when they send picture, then on Friday, then we'll come turn up for here. But when they come, then go bring food.
But some of them go dey Lagos now.
The one with the local don't enter night bus come now.
Now me say all of them are from Ikorodu they go call.
Now they tell you now by Wednesday. Now we go tell them. You know understand?
Okay, we announce.
We announce say okay.
Pay attention.
Agbef. You the party of today.
Yes.
Naya.
Yes.
You are in the party today. Bring food. Mommy Clinton.
Yes.
You did.
Faith.
Mama Osas. Is this Mama Osas?
Yes, it's Mama Osas.
And her husband.
No, only her.
Only you wear bomb shot.
Only she they call.
Wear bomb shot, come.
There are people like Mr. Jeff.
Mr. Jeff, send him money. Yes. We will cover for you.
Then we'll Skype.
We'll Skype. When we are done playing the song, then you and your wife wanna carry Skype. Go into the male children not see you on the twerk because some sites are not meant for the children.
Yes.
Then I allow her. No.
No, hello, not worry.
No, not worry, not go fake come.
And you know, get money.
You not go get money to come. He's 7 children.
Yes.
Go collect everything.
They go spoil things. So we go tell them, make them come with assorted.
Assorted hair. Like now maybe we see the thing come. When we don't finish them, if he come with unkwabi, we take it. Ishewu.
I feel white soup.
White soup. Aborachia, monkey tail. You know, something to keep the blood pumping. You know, something that will shine your eye.
Then you can come with your choice beverage. Like, you know.
Yeah, and if for a girl, send us your picture. Send us your picture before we.
So, guy, we know.
Guys, now easy bit now go choose the guys.
When I say I see the picture.
Anyway, the best small chicken is broke. When we come back.
Blondie. I think na.
Okay. No, never Alpha Blonde. Cisco.
Alpha Blonde be man na.
Alpha Blonde na man.
Okay, Blondie na woman.
If we call you Cisco, or if we call you Awilo Logomba, or if we call you
Cisco Willow.
Cisco Willow. No, na 3. Cisco
Awilo
Logomba, Papa Wemba.
Okay, so Cisco Willow Wemba. Shake it.
And then the other one, with the one waist.
Fali Pupa.
Fali Pupa. We call him say, give it up for the one and only Cisco Fali Pupa Wemba, aka
So the test is not there.
That's true.
Papa, we have in the studio Cisco, aka Papa Wemba, aka Fali Pupa, aka Awilo Logomba, aka
Tony Tetula,
aka if the names are too much for you, simple, just call he will answer you.
Yes. For next week, if we want open phone line,
then if you hear CD,
I go shock that. If you know they give you this name, I go shock.
What do they want to do on top to say again?
If you go shock now, if you go green, white, green, or pink, or turquoise blue.
If easy bit wear green, white, green, no saying they go real.
You they prepare. You know the finish on Saturday now.
Okay, so you no need.
Hey! Rio Olympic. Nigeria, we heady. My sister, may we gossip.
Does that gossip about the thing?
Not be him.
Another one.
You know, say our Olympic people go Olympic.
Yes.
They not get cloth. Na track suit. Now they use take match.
But
today na Friday, it dey end tomorrow. Yesterday, now they carry the cloth go give them. So Olympic they end tomorrow.
So no, it's okay now. They go wait for closing. They go wait and take clothes.
Nigeria, we ready.
No, but you don't say they
Taylor
talk
no
say
fit finish am.
they talk say the ashwebi where then so And the tracksuit wait versus the tracksuit. Say the tracksuit day better
Leave that thing.
than their shwebi. Otherwise, they go wear them for closing. Maybe now their tailor delay them. Don't.
Listen, tailor people, they no go. If you be tailor, you go hard for you to make heaven no. If you're a tailor, it will be hard.
So many prayer.
Because people don't swear for now.
So
like
many-
police, they don't swear for now too much.
So you get some kind of people way.
Eh?
It dey hard to blow.
You know why they bend pass? You go see one cloth for Instagram. Where one you post celebrity wear them. You come meet one tailor. You go say
This one.
won't call the
2 days.
Then give me 2 days.
2 days.
Then you come wear it, go be like bed sheet for your body.
Yes.
Eh?
They say, madam, no, now.
Madam, you want add weight.
Madam,
You
it
go
go
add weight
soft.
join.
You go add
Madam,
weight.
it go soft. By the time you wash am 1-2 times.
Stretch.
He goes. Now don't that not na Igbo men wey dey sell shoe. They never they never that thing give you.
So guy just wear them. Before you wear, now later I go.
You go open.
I want in a baby pass. They'll come bring the shoe, come bend her like
They come knock am for work.
They'll come knock am. I can see. He go stretch. What do they wear? You can't say na
your
size. Okay. Or they go say, give me black jeans. They go bring grey for you. Anyway, talking about black jeans. Our 2 guests for house today. My brother.
By their name, we shall know them.
By their name, you shall know them. One name na G Wizzy.
And the other one, na Gerard kills
Gerard
you.
Kill.
Who will kill? Kills you.
I don't aware. You be like, when did they give order to dog? Gerard Kill. Gerard Kill.
No, Gerard kills.
Gerard Kill. Who be Gerard Kill? If you say that you be Gerard Kill, I attack him.
What do you mean Gerard kills?
The guy be like, bless me, person with your pay money, go kill that guy for me.
That's why they call
But
it
I
Gerard
said not be
kills.
a work before.
I don't know where I work.
But why your name come be Gerard Kill?
You know, see that year when we sing for secondary school, based on the kill beats now, that make they give me that
So this name since secondary school, you know enter your mind to change am. Even little Bow Wow, change the
Change
name
the
to
name to
Bow
Bow
Wow.
Wow.
The way it be, I think calm, but as this guy no reach my mentor, my guy if he change, you know, I go there no change.
Oh, I go there and I be your mentor.
No,
I go
don't
there and
like
joke
him.
they do now.
I know now, but I don't like the guy who's don't come from my head now. Now we boy now. So I see my mentor.
This is your Gerard kills. You sure say you know they kills yourself with this name?
Yeah, I just knew now.
There's something in the name, oh. They're just name. There's something in the name.
See, ma tell you something now.
Ankirere is
See that
your
thing when
name.
Katin talk now. There's something in the name. Jay Wizzy, we are coming to you. You say that there's something in the name, my brother.
Jay Wizzy.
See, it gets some artists. Their name, they not go blow.
My brother, oh. Not be tomorrow we go say na village people, your ancestors.
No, now you they call.
Yes.
Gerard kill. Yeah, he not go working on.
Kill I die. Gerard I die.
See, she not Rambo.
Oh.
He not green blow.
Rambo.
I know they already talk that one.
Who asked you? We they tell you.
Blackface now. Blackface no go. Now house agent blackface be now. If you look for house for first start for Amour Dafia,
those
this
kind of
blackface,
places.
I get number I go give you. I been at Idris Abdul Karim.
There's something in the name.
There's something in the name.
For the LCM of all of this talk, we say there's something in a what? In a
The
name.
name.
true.
For example, now if you call
Gerard
your name
Kiss.
JK. JK in the building.
Yeah,
You see,
are they okay?
How do you understand? Jay Wizzy. My
Wetin be
brother, no
Wizzy?
verse. You dey try what? No verse. Tell us what be the meaning of Jay Wizzy?
Na name wey they give me when I start music, when I still dey.
What be the J?
My real name,
What be the other name?
Joshua.
Joshua.
Wizzy be wetin?
Wizzy, I go again.
Right from beginning, I don't love Lil Wayne. But I know the rap
We know
Now
this
we
thing.
know.
You can make your explain inside. Make it. Make
They
it
say-
full of. Father.
No, so now your people in the government they call you Wizzy, like Wizkid. So you can say Jay Wizzy.
Wizzy. You self for the answer.
You said the answer. Yeah, you're priding yourself. You're answering Jay
What's
Wizzy.
your
But nice
name?
name anyway,
Jay
nice name. No mind also. We just the hail you so na name makes sense. Now,
No,
Mr.
Gerard
Kill,
Kiss no
Mr.
make
Kill. Gerard Kill not make sense, Abi.
You go somewhere. Ladies and gentlemen, our next performer is the one and only.
Gerard Kill.
Go ahead. What's that sound for you? My go ahead like that. Now Gerard kills. I'll come balling. I don't know how it be.
Okay,
Nobody will clap for you. Gerard
now,
Kiss.
Wait now. Now we dey okay, now you dey invite. Now you be the MC. Now me na audience. Invite them. Once I don't invite, then you can come perform.
Please give me your microphone.
Give microphone. Give microphone.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your patience. So now, the next performer is the one and only. You know him very well. Gerard Keys.
If we go boss, one name Gerard Kills spawn this. Now it be now. I don't try now.
That's how crowd gonna look you.
That's one time. What think crowd they do?
Anyway, tell us, Gerard Keys, tell us about yourself, your stage name. What's it be? Of course, you're not saying you the kill beat. You come from Warri.
What's your name?
What's your original name, your full name?
My name is Umemizi Atubechuku.
Gene.
Umemizi Atubechuku.
Yeah, I want you.
One have Mundi.
Hey!
Make up, Siva. And you decide by yourself and your status. So to give yourself, Gerard is killing somebody.
Yeah, you will decide that they are losing money, they are killing things. Yes. So, Tobechuku, you can't answer.
Such a nice
again. What's it mean?
Umemezia.
Umemezia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Asaba, Delta State, yeah.
Oh, Delta Agbo.
Mba, oh Asaba.
Asaba, okay. How long you done this sing for?
I've been singing for about 4 years now.
4 years now. Professionally?
Professionally, 4 years. Yeah.
Professionally, 4 years. Okay.
What did they sing?
What did they sing?
I the rapper, bros.
You okay, rapper? Oh, sorry, rapper.
So the kind of music rappers they do now, waiting.
Okay, nothing happen.
Hip hop.
May not be like say, then tell us we not see their video. Okay. But we watch.
Make their video kill them.
Make their video kill. Make Gerard the video kill and Gerard kill. Let's kill.
Let's kill it with the video kill. About the night show. What did they call this song again?
Mimi. Mimi, what a girl. Now,
Mimi.
Jay-Wizzy.
Yes.
Jay-Wizzy.
2 boys, 2 girls.
Jay-Wizzy. Who be that girl for that video?
Girl 1.
Oh, you said you don't know Amabi?
Director bring him.
Na director bring him.
Like so.
No, not be say it be like
It's
so.
either yes
Or
or no.
no. Now, who be that girl? Na director bring him.
Na direct to bring her.
You don't know him.
Na that day now I know her.
What be her name?
I don't know her name.
You don't know her name. Meanwhile, you hold her your hand.
You carry your neck, go meet her neck.
You carry her your neck, go with her neck.
Just the act.
Then she come, they rub your chest. Rub your
Ask her what's in there our face. Talk again.
You see mark for our face?
I don't know.
It's just the act.
It's just the act. You don't see 3 of us finish like this.
We be mumu. Yeah? Una don't plan yourself, say you go come. You now, you carry one girl. You carry one girl.
For sure the boys.
For sure the boys. And you want make people believe you.
The girl come, they dance in front of and come, you say you don't know
See
her.
where the girl wear pants. See what the girl they do. You get one place where you put a hand from here.
Yes,
come they rub the girl
Wait,
something.
see,
Girl where wear pants.
I don't know it.
Girl where wear normal cloth. No, they stand here person. Come girl where
You
wear
say you
pants.
don't know it.
Okay. See now, the girl see a pull cloth.
Oh.
We not see the remaining thing where the girl pull. You say you don't know her. Now only that one we see because I should say she pull other things.
And then you say you don't know her.
You don't know
Why
it.
do you deny the poor girl?
No, I don't deny.
Anyway, tell us when you start music. Tell us your journey.
What
with
did they
music.
sing? There?
What
kind of
do
music
they
is
sing?
this one?
Who be that person where you feature? One of the hear thing they get it, but the guy talk like quality.
No, it be like say they rap from one side of half of his mouth, they open, the other half no they open.
In get stroke.
Maybe na in
Na
style.
partial stroke. You have half of your
No,
face.
na in style to carry one mouth
Okay,
go
go
up.
out. You don't show none of friends show
You
your
gotta
girl friend
listen
show
to what I'm
you
We wanna
I been you just choose them.
Na my label meet, so
Gonna listen label.
yeah.
Okay. So even if you don't want to use them, you not get choose.
Kind of.
Why you be like this?
Not be you don't like the guy.
You know.
But he just you're gonna tell us say feature the boy. So he just say, you know, be like say I not feature her.
Kind of.
Man, kind of. I don't know really kind of. Maybe you just say when you live. I mean, if you go talk too much now, if you push on for you live.
And then you can't get work.
You know, you can't get work again.
You go the
If
same
come
with
same
charge
charge card, no cala. We say for road for traffic.
And it go be problem. If this people say they do and cutting, but this boy call you a
On your
show.
show.
I didn't they keep am bad luck.
You see, understand? If you can't go, they sell black market of fuel now. If I know the visa because they catch people, they sell fuel now.
And pure water bag.
What do the title? We say that song. Very nice, beautiful
Yes,
song.
yes.
Tell us about that song. Meme.
Yeah.
What a girl.
What a girl.
That song na like 2 years ago now. I write that song.
Hmm?
2 years ago.
Oh, 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Now you do the song.
Now you write am, I mean now you.
Now I write and record them. Everything.
Wow. That's your own way to break leg. Now, a recent song.
No, it's like 2 years ago.
Oh, two.
Una did the same
Then,
label.
yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
oh, one. No wonder in there your video. now, I got. My back my chicken break when they come back. Still on top of the night show.
They think say they want the same.
Now, welcome back on Saturday Night Show. We get Gerard Kills inside studio and also Jay Wizzy
your name.
inside studio. You
You
don't smoke Igbo?
No, I don't smoke.
You know they smoke Igbo?
I know they smoke.
Open your eye like this, Mose.
You don't drink?
Huh?
You don't drink?
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes. You don't come. You don't.
No.
Until
You
I thought
don't.
But you did.
Occasionally.
you did.
Occasionally.
Occasionally. So occasionally, Phoebe, every day now. You're occasionally, Shamina, my occasionally.
Chai, your head is there, but you don't come me.
Anyway, now tell us, what do you work on now, Gerard Kills? What do you think you want to work on now? And how you take enter your record label? How do you take discover you when you say na 12 and account the same label? How do you take discover you? Make I start with.
Okay, with me, at this school, I did do it now. If you do, actually, I start to sing. That was 2013. That's 3 years ago, and it was not easy. You know, days you. Now that I think with my guy, I dealt with the role and
For school together.
yeah. In school we did do same thing. So we decided to see what we could do. So during our final year, that was last year, we get to see one person we like our music, we like sponsor our music. So
They speak English.
we can say the guy can sign us to label. So we signed to Fresh Camp. That's how the journey started 3 years back, and now we here.
But not be little of una the okay. Not 12 they sit together, sign 12 una together.
No, we have more friends. We were 5 at the end. We did
Who be
5.
this person? What's her now? No be Tiffin be.
For just carry 5 people, just sign them at the
I
same
don't
time.
know now.
No, it's a business mogul. I'm sure. I'm done.
Eh?
I'm done.
Now Igbo man.
You can't sign 5 of una, na Igbo man.
No be man, boss.
You can't sign 5 of una at the same
5
time.
men, 5 boys.
Yeah, 5 of us.
Now no suspect.
Una not see easy beat. Me easy beat, but na DJ na make him sign now.
You good, you good. You did.
Because first when you get this kind of hair like this, I swear you go the drag
Market.
market.
Ah,
Market go the
market don't
flow.
open.
I find boy before. I find boy.
Market go. Why you call him fine boy?
I this sound. The
How
hair
you dey eye am?
trip me.
Fine boy.
No, the hair dey trip me. The hair going.
You sure?
Now our easy. You say
Say,
fine
hey,
boy.
fine boy. See the
Fine
hair,
boy,
the trip am.
The hair they trip you.
My hair.
I like the hair. I like the hair. No homo. I just
My hair, they trip am.
Me when wear this hair no trip you.
not trip you.
Now easy bit hair.
No, this sound on the trip me since now. I dey wait for time to tell you. No be now. The time will soon come.
But the guy don't enter you 1-0. You not fit talk again. Now, Jay Wizzy, tell us, you did okay. You don't have. My take us on. I don't finish school. I've been on stay school.
Yeah, we graduated last year.
Last year, your family not they give you issues on top music. Say they do music.
No. I don't tell them right from the beginning, like when I did 200 level.
Okay.
So I don't tell them, say, okay, aside the schooling, I get that passion for music and all.
So their own be say, shall go to school, bring us our
Yes.
certificate.
Finish the school, bring the
Things
certificate.
don't they
and
change.
all.
People now they tell you say you sound like Fino. Say you want copy Fino.
I don't hear am well. I hear am almost every day. I hear am from different people. But the thing is, I know they copy Fino. I'm trying to do. I do it and I fit do, but
Why you they talk like say, you know, you they talk to some guests where they hear some video vixens. They rotate word for your mouth. Take the word, they rinse your mouth like say they drink water, or they use a go-go, you know, so yeah.
to know that.
Nah, you might-
talk.
Na natural way of talking.
Na natural.
Yeah, now you follow come. I follow come. I continue.
Okay. What was I saying then? Okay. She don't make me the shy.
They tell you every day say they sound like Fino.
Okay, yeah. They tell me every day I sound like Fino. Though I dey try to do it now, I fit do, but the more I do them, the more they say, this guy they copy Fino. But the truth is, I know they copy anybody. I'm trying to bring up my own sound. That's it.
As the English lecturer that he is,
My brother.
what do you study for school?
Mathematics.
So that's it.
Yeah, I want your shit.
Why you go tell you mathematics finish? Come the
Come
sing.
here, come they sing.
Yeah.
It's not like two I get passion for now. I get passion for
You
music.
know, say if you be math teacher, you go down blow.
I go don't give guys, but let What you study for school?
Economics.
Economics. But why una do calculation based things? Can't enter live and can't enter music. Now say una not get work quick.
I don't know.
Una can't enter music.
You know, you say, you know, these ones, they have their eye, you know, they say they are big business mogul, somebody.
Okay,
Now you
yeah,
carry
okay,
5
the
of them or
mogul.
10 of them,
The
sign
mogul.
them.
Okay. Now make I ask you, when I don't do into the industry, you say 4 years now, I don't do into the industry. Now what you go say can be the challenge when you say on the face as upcoming artists when you say everybody never too know like that. What you go say, okay, master of DJ Wizzy, what you go say, okay, and that be that challenge one of the face as upcoming artist.
Yeah, as upcoming artist, let's say you get some kind places where you won't go. They go just look you based on say you be newcomer for the thing, and so the relationship we get with other artists and normal people, they different from artists we don't did the game already, we don't blow and all. So they get issues with relationship with people and promotion too.
You go look you say you
Promotion
never reach
aspect,
anywhere.
yes, yeah.
Say you must pay
Before
money or
they
something.
can't even hear the sound safe, say okay, this thing nice. Before if you tell them say some kind of shows will go say, Baba, play this song, I won't perform. You say that no. Because based on say they never hear the song, so they don't know if the song sweet or not.
No, not.
So they get issues with stuff like that.
Okay.
So how now they work on them?
This year we did kind of very serious this year. I put them that way because the person with the sponsor us, we meet them last year, just after we graduated. So
Okay.
from there we don't prepare ourselves so that when we enter, we just enter fully and not.
When you say they
go.
sponsor now, what thing they do? They give you money or what? This sponsor, you know, say they cover a lot of things. It's my sponsor. They look at me, my sponsor, but in
You
what way?
understand? In what way?
What
Because you
is
get
it for?
particular thing why they sponsor. What is that thing?
Now the musical.
How they sponsor the music?
He dey
They
give
play am
una,
for a
he dey
house
play am for
or
your house. Abi they give una money to record am. Abi he give una house. He dey pay una salary. You know all those things. Wait, now, we could not ask them before.
Now one day.
Yeah, come talk now. Now, you now as Kills, what be the challenge where you go say okay, you dey get for in the music industry?
Okay, the fact is, the name they give for upcoming now, you know Sabi. Once you're upcoming, the fact is you don't know anything, you know Sabi anything. So that most places where we go, they like look down on us. Waiting this one I want to do. They don't want to hear your sound. They don't know if you Sabi anything
Or not.
That's one key factor. They don't believe in you. That's the stuff.
Until you prove to them say you
Until
sabi.
yeah, and most times even when you want proof, give them. They be
they
like,
give you a chance?
yeah, no space, and even if they know it's not a good sound, most artists actually in the industry, I still say some they jealous. Yeah, that would envy it's there. So nobody wants you to come in and
Come shine past
yeah,
them.
That's
So for the general music industry for Nigeria, you dey see that one as a big problem, or even a big problem you dey see am as, which I think it is. How as Katim take ask Jay Wizzy, wetin be the thing wey you see say if them do am,
Yes.
it go help upcoming artists make people not dey too look down on them, so that them too go rise up as others one
Them
wey
too
don't
go
think
get
they
chance,
them too
get
go get
ginger
chance, get
too.
ginger blow go where they supposed to.
the thing is, I feel something give us platform to showcase our talent. That's one thing.
That's
And
performing.
yeah,
Gigs.
performing and most times performing and make them hear our sound, they encourage us, and they should be loved because the thing with this industry, I think, is the love there, but it not really there. Nobody want me, you come here,
In every industry.
yeah.
Okay, now another thing I go ask you, how easy you think say it would be to get established artists like them Fino
Yeah, to work with
to work with una? How easy it dey? Because I know say most upcoming artists
Yes.
where they go meet all these people, that either you beg or the same person like you personally,
Yes,
or
or
you
you
drop
pay.
them
Months.
months. So For them to even agree collect your money where you want.
And that's one. When you sing finish the video, now another thing.
Answer the question.
But the thing be say, I never try, so I no go know how it be. So man, no talk with you, I don't know now.
So if which artist you for life work with?
Okay,
So laughter. Wow.
One thing come.
No. I go like work with few arts like Olamide. I respect Fino a lot, so definitely I think soon I would love to work with Fino. Then when it comes to sing, I love Wizkid. I love David. The Vector is there, YC is there. These are few
You
arts.
never call any woman, no.
Shay.
Why you call like this? As you say, if he said, don't touch Ambele. Now, tell me, what be the things when you be saying the difficulties when you say you go feature when you get as an upcoming artist to feature established artists when you say don't sit down already where people don't know who them be.
I never really work with anyone for now. But I think if your sound good, if your sound get to that artist, if your sound good, some of them fit, I don't know, they fit like just
Help
jump
you.
on them. Yeah.
But and if you ask me whether that sound good, na your opinion. But you know, you get some songs when you say you go hear some established artists do likes like Two Face, P Square, and the rest of them. You get some songs where you go hear them do. That song normally, if you put them side by side to some upcoming artists, the upcoming artist song tear faster.
Yes.
But nobody go hear the upcoming artist not go blow. But because of saying that so person, the song go blow, the name, everybody go like the song. Whether
Then
the song
say
make
go
sense
tell you the
or
ones
not.
where don't everybody don't know. Then say go tell you say their journey.
He get one song where
like
I
Una
dey hear these days. And I don't know why. I dey always see the boy as upcoming artist. Techno, Pana.
That song,
That song.
Jam.
Na jam, but the lyrics play that Pana. Can't say my baby. The lyrics stupid. We not get, the lyrics stupid. It not make sense at all.
Baby,
Pana,
So you like your wahala.
na ibe me wahala o I kwale go gwalada.
they find you for Gwagwalada.
Listen to the song, my sister, you go vomit. Anyway, before we come up for Inside Studio, now which be the artists when you say you go like work with, like future, both for Nigeria, outside Nigeria, man and woman?
Okay. For female,
Yes.
I would like work with Simi.
Simi, you get sense, your head is there.
For
Maybe not
male.
because of how they sing.
Male, I would like work with Shady,
Okay,
Wandeko,
okay,
Shantizo.
okay.
For now, make I know to
Spread go. For international artists, go.
national act. Chris Brown.
Those who are following on top social media, Instagram, Twitter, and the rest of them, how they go take follow you?
Yeah, my Twitter handle, Instagram, Snapchat, Jweezy, my name is.
Jweezy, my name is. And I see him. Jweezy, my name is.
Jweezy, no gap.
No.
Just
Just
Jweezy. One
Jweezy,
word.
my name is,
One word.
One word.
Yeah.
Gerard_kills.
Kills. Now, Gerard _kills.
Kills. though.
You see, put out of a kills.
Kills.
Like, you guys do I
Kills.
kills. Gerard _ what's your name? Gerard _kills.
Ooh, what are you killing?
I kill things. I kill beats. Anyway, double toilet to everybody when you say don't watch us. If you don't not say we'll not take phone calls or reading our tweet messages.
we be
Now because
one-
of say one
one
chook
cup,
I
yes.
well on top of these two,
Yes.
Badu, the
Yes.
killer and the wizard. Until next week, we're gonna get better weekend. Bye.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.